Hello, my name is Alex. I have been with Bonfe for 4 years now at this point, and I am one of the sewer advisors. And so what we are going to be speaking about today is a customer's line that I went out to and offered a few solutions. And what we are going to be speaking about is exactly why. So this is actually after we have sent lots and lots of gear through to try to clear this standing water that you see here. And so at 44 feet, we were unable to get any type of a gear through this joint. Now, the reasoning that is because immediately after the standing water you see here, there is an actual complete collapsed section of line located at 44 feet. Now, what you're also going to notice is on the left side of the screen, we do have lots and lots of tree roots that have broken through the joint as well, creating kind of like a little bit of a forest inside of the sewer line. So now when you see tree roots this major inside of a line, that actually also causes for sewage to slow down. Every time it hits a section of tree roots, it slows the pace of things down, which also can result in major clogs. Located here at 42.8 feet, you can see both on the left and right side of the line, we do have major tree roots mixed in with some dirt. Now, if you look on the very top of the screen here as well, we do actually have a complete offset or shift in the line. Now, those offsets or shifts can be typically caused either by A, ground movement, or B, tree roots that have completely compromised the section of line, putting so much pressure on that section that it has completely slipped those two pipes apart. Now, what you're going to see on the bottom of the line here is a little bit of debris that has gotten stuck due to the tree roots slowing down the pace of that debris. On the right side of the line here, what you are visibly able to see is more tree roots that have clumped up in the section and broken through that joint itself, completely compromising that section as well. Located here at 36 feet, what you're also going to notice is some major tree roots that have compromised that section of line. Now, typically with tree roots breaking into a line, that is caused due to water going into the soil, which is allowing them to know where their food source is. 35 feet, we also have major tree roots breaking through the joint of the pipe as well, compromising that section. Of course, we're going to see a little bit more debris here. And then you're also going to see that there has been some standing water on the bottom of this pipe. Now, typically when you see standing water, it can be one of two things. Either A present clog inside of the line, or B, something to do with a slope issue. In this case, as you were able to tell, there is no clog physically present. What has happened in this section is that the pipes have began to cause a breakage called a belly. Now, a belly, how those are caused are always by the breakage of an offset. So when an offset is present where the pipes have shifted, it creates that leak, which begins to erode the soil underneath the pipe, which then also begins to drop the pipe or sink the pipe. Now, when that happens, the water that is put down your drain lines will get stuck inside of that belly, constantly seeping into the soil, constantly eroding the soil, which can end in a result of a collapse. Here at 25 feet on the left corner, you are actually able to see as well, more tree roots have compromised a section of the pipe, breaking through and filling up approximately a third of the sewer line. At 20 feet, we also have more tree roots that have came through the joints or the weak spot of a pipe, and you're also able to tell there is more standing water inside of this line. Again, that breakage considered to be a belly. We keep pulling the line back. We're still in 6-inch clay tile. On the right side of the pipe here, you're actually able to see debris has gotten stuck onto the line, as well as possible dirt. Now on the bottom right side, you're actually also able to see that the pipes have completely shifted apart from each other. 12 feet, we reach into 4-inch cast iron. So due to all of the issues that we found today, what we recommended to this customer was the solution of spot repairs. due to the reasoning being at 44 feet, that breakage that we saw, that was the collapsed section of pipe where no water is able to move freely, as well as all of the damage we saw with those bellies. We recommended multiple spot repairs for this customer. Thank you.